Just because I've promised Grandpa that I won't get angry and shout, I'm controlling myself.
I've been telling her since the beginning.
What?
Can't you be more careful while walking, Mithai?
What can I do, Mother?
Hey.
I was going on my own speed. My speed has increased. I didn't realize that the rose petals were kept.
You all are too ambitious, Shri. How will she dance to such tunes? Don't you know that she causes accidents all the time? Oh. And what do you say? That accidents does not happen deliberately, right?
Yes, miss. Mithai is causing more accidents these days, you know. And an accident is an accident. Accident isn't caused deliberately, but no one understands that. Anyway, sorry. Luck isn't in Mithai's favor today. That's why Mithai won't dance today. Or else Mithai would have shown everyone her dancing. Even you wouldn't be able to compete with me.
Have you ever seen Tess dance, Mithai? That you made such a claim? You know what? We forgive you considering all this to be your childishness, Mithai. After your marriage, you'll have to socialize as the daughter-in-law of this family. If you pass such silly comments there, then you'll be in trouble. Am I right, Uncle? Did I say anything wrong? Please don't mind, Uncle. Please.
No, Aunt. There's nothing to mind. Please come and have a seat. Come.
Listen, please come have a seat.
How are you
I'm
doing?
good. Sandy, who is going to perform next? What is the song? I mean to say, can I get a chance to dance, please?
What? You... Tess, you don't need to do all this. You come and sit.
No, Sid. I too have to show her what her real position is. Can I, Sandy? Wait. Look, play this song, please.
Oh, yes, sure.
Take a seat. Sit.
Sandy,
Tell me.
until now you must have heard about Ghost Dance. Today you'll get to watch Tash dance.
What is so great about her dancing? Mithai dances better than that. She claims to be a better dancer than Mithai. She's just staring at Mr. Bittergaard and dancing. Lousy dancing.
Yes. Smear turmeric well on him, mommy darling. Let Shom realize well what marriage actually is.
Really? You're constantly
Yes.
teasing Shom. Listen, Sulata, I'll put turmeric on everyone today. Mark my words. I am not
No.
going to spare anyone.
Come, Aunt. Come.
No, what are you doing, Aunt Appa? Listen, Aunt Appa, I'm a script writer, please.
Oh, wait.
Why not you? Aunt Appa? He's the most mischievous of all. Apply fast.
Hey,
Hmm.
wait,
Huh?
don't do this.
Shrinipa, let's go and bring mithai now.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
Tess,
Hmm?
I'm requesting you to not do any childish act like yesterday, please.
Sid is absolutely right, Tess.
Why don't you two understand? Yesterday that girl claimed that I won't be able to compete with her. That is why.
For heaven's sake, Tess. You can never have any competition with her. Get this straight.
Hey, Appa,
Yes?
is this Siddharth's wife?
No. She is Siddharth's friend, Torsha.
Oh. Please don't mind. Actually, you know how neighbors are, don't you? They are quite inquisitive about many things. They want to know if Sid and Tosha are going to get married or not.
Why to blame the neighbors? You know, I keep telling Tess and Sid to let me know their future plans. They belong to this generation. They call it friendship.
Hey, Shri, give me the bowl. Torsha, can I apply turmeric on you?
Sandy, tell me, be a British of Tash turmeric.
Now you will get married soon.
Mom,
Oh, wow. You're looking so pretty. Hey, Sulata, come here. Blow the conch. Shri, bring the bowl of turmeric.
Go.
Sister Shri!
Save the girl, Appa. What a disaster. All the turmeric fell on Sid. He's so finicky about all this and it happened with him. What will I do now? Sorry, Sid. Because of me, the turmeric fell on your hand. I'm sorry.
We'll experience a blast soon.
What will happen now? Now Mithai got smeared with the turmeric touched by Sid. What will happen now? I don't know.
Brother Rajiv,
Yes?
this looks like a daily soap. The turmeric touched by Shom fell on Mithai via Sid.
What nonsense, just be quiet.
No, do the math. Very simple. Sandeep. Tess is watching.
Brother Sid, you use this to wipe your hand.
Hey, Mithai. What are you doing here? You should be walking towards your seat, right? Why are you standing here? You're doing it deliberately.
Oh my! She was falling down. I saved her. Did I do it deliberately?
It wouldn't have happened if you didn't do it deliberately.
Sister Tosha, the accident happened because of my mistake. She can't be blamed for that.
No, Shri, I'm not talking about the bowl falling. Aren't any one of you concerned that Mithai got covered by the turmeric touched by Sid? Sandy was saying, Sandy, weren't you saying that a while ago? Tell them.
What? I didn't said. Hey Rajiv, what did I say?
When did he say anything? He didn't say anything.
Nothing at all.
Tess, don't create a ruckus regarding these stupid rituals. They have no meaning at all. Sandy, why do you always talk nonsense? That's why I ask you to talk less.
Oh, okay, fine. We can talk about all that later. Good that the bowl didn't fall down on the ground, isn't it? Shri, bring Mithai over here. Come, Mithai, come here. Aunt Sulata, let's begin the ritual with the remaining turmeric in the bowl. Mithai, come here. Shri, bring her over here. Let's go.
She's always trying to catch me on the wrong foot. I don't know what is my mistake. Did you see how Sandy got scolded today? But my mother has warned me not to talk much, or else Mithai would have taught her a lesson, yes.
Come slowly. Mom, take this. Yes.
Yes.
Take this.
Here.
Take this too.
Here's the
Take
rice.
this
one as well.
Please tell me, where should I keep
Here,
these
take
things?
this.
Hey, Shri,
Yes.
aren't we going to go bring the groom?
Yes, we will. Wait, let me arrange all this first.
You girls can leave now. You've done a lot.
Yes, we aren't left with much time. We have to go to bring the groom. Grandpa has strictly instructed we belong to the bride's side now.
Correct. Grandpa has strictly instructed
Yes.
us. I never knew this. Is it a problem if the bride and groom stay at the same venue before the wedding?
Ratul, this is nothing but ordinations, yes. Isn't it, Mom? Ordination indeed. Or else, how could the bride and the groom's turmeric ceremony be together?
During our times, the bride and groom never met before the wedding. But nowadays, the rules have changed a bit.
Okay. All that is fine. Hey, you
yes.
can learn all these rules and rituals during your wedding, okay? Because since morning, Shom is in the custody of my father-in-law in his house. Now, if we don't go and bring him on time, he will walk down till here.
Oh, hey, let's go.
Yes.
Wait,
let's
wait,
go.
wait. Blow this, please. Come on, blow this. Sulata, blow the conch. Hey, Oppa,
Yes?
are you going?
Yes, I have to. I have to wash Shom's hand with milk as well. And since I'm playing the mom's role, I have to go. And as it is, y'all know that after all, I belong to both the sides, right?
Where is Nanda?
Come
Nanda? Let's go.
Hey,
Come.
you all have gathered here. Is everybody going to bring the groom?
Yes, darling, all of us are going to bring the groom. And listen, I'm saying this to the ladies. Please hurry up and finish all the pending work. And you, Sandy,
Yes.
you call up Shom and tell him we have started from here.
Okay.
And yes, Grandma, make way, please blow whatever you want to blow.
He's behaving like the main person of both the bride and the groom side.
Yes, darling.
He is performing all his tasks with so much responsibility. Sulata, blow the conch.
Sure.
Bless this family with your blessings. Oh Lord, I'll be relieved if the wedding goes well. My husband has taken a humongous responsibility on himself. But for a girl like Mithai, one can do this much. What do you say?
Yes, that can be done. But you know what, Mom? How will the girl turn out to be won't be understood now, but only after the marriage.
I'm telling you, Mother, it's not possible for me to remain so decked up. Oh Lord, what have you done? Why did you push me in this trouble? Being decked up so heavily. And this jewelry is so heavy I can't even talk. It is so uncomfortable. While abiding by all these rules, I'm feeling suffocated. Oh, suffocation. So much commotion in a wedding. This is the reason. This is the reason why I had asked your mother not to do
Will
this.
you keep quiet? You are continuously blabbering. I am already so tensed. Your uncle isn't here yet. He is going to give away your hand officially.
Hey, Gulti is waiting outside. Okay, will uncle come alone?
Who else will he bring along? Your aunt has gone to her dad's place along with Jilly. Good that she went. She has done so much bad to us. Oh my. Anyway, I don't want to remember all that today.
Parvati,
Here you are. Oh, let it be. It's okay.
how amazing is this, Parvati? The Modak have made such a huge mention, and our Mithai is getting married in this house. Hey Lord. I'm very happy for you, Mithai.
Hey, uncle!
It's okay. Get up now. Let me see you. You look so pretty.
But I'm not liking all this at all.
Why?
I was supposed to open the shop first, but mother is marrying me off even before that.
Look how she is talking.
Silly girl, you are still worried about the confectionery shop? Huh? Lady Luck has shine on you. Yes, you are getting married in such a reputed family. They have such a huge business.
What does Mithai have to do about that? All this is happening because of mother and grandfather. My question is, couldn't Mithai take care of herself? Or she can't take the responsibility of mother and Gulti? Seeing mom worrying so much, grandfather is getting me married so soon. Or else grandfather had said that he will help me open a shop with the prize money.
Hey, Mithai, keep quiet, please. Keep quiet. It's your wedding day today. Don't be so restless.
Yes. Brother, please reason with her. I am so fed up of warning Mithai.
Sister Mithai, the groom has arrived!
Hey, brother.
Yes?
Let's go now. It's time.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh my lord, I'm so scared. And my hand and legs are shivering. Can you tell me why?
Someone has to welcome the groom. The groom's friend won't wait for long. Yes.
We will welcome the groom right away. Parvati!
Mom, what are you saying? How can she do it? Can a widow perform this kind of
Talk
ritual?
softly, she'll get to hear.
Aunt Sushma, how can I welcome the groom? I want you to do the ritual. My mithai has received your blessings. That's enough for me. This is my brother-in-law. She is Auntie Sushma. Auntie, he is my brother-in-law. He will give away Mithai's hand. His
Okay,
hand in
okay, please
marriage.
come here. Who will welcome him then?
Please do it, Auntie. I am right here.
I'm too scared. I'm feeling nervous. I'm really too scared. Oof. Oh Lord. I can't do this anymore. I can't remain decked up. I can't handle this. I can't. Oh, the earrings aren't coming out. Oof.
Come on, open your mouth.
Come inside. Come inside. Mithai is very lucky to have a husband like you. Parvati has told me everything. Come in. Come.
Please come.
Welcome, everyone.
Mom, where is Dad? I can't see him anywhere.
Dad is in Samirish's room.
Oh.
Sandy, listen.
Tell me.
Why don't we straight away go to the dining area?
Rajiv, it's a great
Because
idea.
I've heard they're making some fish fry. That's very good. Let's go.